Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip. Actually, we're going over the Las Vegas Strip to check out the park MGM. I don't know why I feel the need to video in between cracks. I developed this nasty crack habit in my early vlogging days. Listen, in future videos, feel free to point out my nasty crack habit as you see them. Anyway, we're crossing over the Strip on our way to the Park MGM, the 100% totally smokeless hotel and casino on the Strip. We're also going to see Italy, one of my favorite places to shop here in town. Now, we're not going to actually tour Italy in this video. I've done that once or twice before, and I'll probably do it again in the future, but this video is all about the Park MGM. Oh look, the up escalator isn't working here on the Las Vegas Strip. How odd is that? Jeff from New York says tongue-in-cheek. Anyway, it's been a while since we've been here, so let's step inside and check out the Park MGM. Alrighty, as soon as we walk in, we're going to head towards the right here, and the first thing we see is a Best Friend, which is kind of like an essentials, convenience store. Or is it? No, wait, they fooled us. Best Friend is a remix and remastered collection of the evolution of Los Angeles' food, music, and culture. It's Koreatown in a capsule, a portal to the streets of Los Angeles, but also rooted in what makes Las Vegas, well, Vegas. Kimchi to spaghetti, barbecue to late night food, my neighborhood mixed in with the Vegas, good. And here we have Mama Rabbit, which is an ode to Mexicals and tequilas from across Mexico. Mama Rabbit takes its name from Mayahuel, the goddess of agave and fertility. It is said that Mayahuel was the mother of 400 rabbits that she nourished with mezcal and tequila. And you thought your mother was awesome. This is on the record here at the Park MGM, which is still closed, by the way. The website says unexpected discoveries and songs that stop you in your heels. The joy of hanging out in a record store is the inspiration for Park MGM's new speakeasy and club experience. On the Record is a love letter to long-lost music hubs, an exciting new way to spend your nights in Vegas. And here we have the Park MGM Sportsbook, which is looking really quiet on this weekday morning. I don't know about you guys, but I don't do too much online gambling, especially when it comes to things like slots and blackjack and roulette. However, I will place an occasional wager, not often, but occasionally, on a sports event if I have a really strong feeling about the outcome. What about you guys? Do you do any online gambling? Leave a comment below. And if you do, is it like casino gambling or sports gambling? This is Juniper, a cocktail lounge here at the Park MGM. Now keep in mind the Kentucky Derby's coming up. It's that time of the year. It's going to be Saturday, May 1st. I probably will place a wager just to make it a little more exciting. I find that when I bet on a game, it becomes 10 times more exciting than when I'm just watching it. And to make it a little bit more exciting for you guys, what I'll probably do in the community room is put up a survey. I'll list 4 or 5 different horses. Whichever one you guys pick by a majority, that's the one I'll place the wager on. So keep an eye on that community post. It'll probably come up in about a week or two. This is Bavette's Steakhouse and Bar. Bavette's embraces French flair without the formality. At Bavette's, they blend fine dining with unabashed fun. Also, when I show you guys a QR code, which I'm about to do here, that's for you guys to scan with your smartphone so you'll see more about what I'm talking about. In this case, it's what's open and what's closed at MGM properties, but a lot of times it'll be a menu for a restaurant. Just put the video on pause, aim your smartphone at it in camera mode, and you'll learn a lot more about what I'm talking about. I've shown a lot of QR codes in the past, especially at restaurants, but I failed to mention that all you need to do is, like I said, put the video on pause, scan it with your camera, and you'll find out all about the place that I'm in. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And while I'm at it, a shout out to Wise Malik, who found Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl in my latest video from Las Vegas, the Grand Bazaar shops, including Giordano's Pizzeria. Congratulations, Wise Malik, a staple to the New York channel, and from what I understand, is going to be heading towards Las Vegas very shortly. Let's all wish him a lot of fun and a lot of luck. Park MGM photo opportunity. Coming up here on the right is a fancy schmancy Starbucks coffee. But what one man considers smancy schmancy is another man's meh. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. So I gotta say, the Park MGM has a lot of art that really stands out above other hotels and casinos here on the Las Vegas Strip. And just as important, they know how to show it off correctly. However, not much is desert or Las Vegas themed, but I can't hold that against them. I mean, after all, how many places in New York City actually have paintings of 42nd Street? Not many. A little history about this place: the Park MGM was formerly the Monte Carlo Resort and Casino. The hotel, with a height of 360 feet, has 32 floors, including a 102,000 square foot casino floor with 1,400 slot machines, 16 table games, and 15 poker tables. The hotel offers 2,992 guest rooms, including 259 luxury suites. The Monte Carlo was converted into the Park MGM between late 2016 and 2018, with the upper floors being converted into a boutique hotel, NoMad Las Vegas. And here we have a view of the NoMad bar right by the NoMad elevators. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer. Tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. I'm pretty sure this Wheel of Fortune is a prop. If not, I'll leave notes below on how to get me out of jail at no cost to you. Huh, even money. Let me tell you guys something in case you didn't know, that these Wheels of Fortune, usually right at the entrance of casinos, are the worst odds in the entire casino, worse than slot machines. This is the House of Gaga, kind of like a shrine to the young lady entertainer. If you're a fan, and I do like her music, there's lots of stuff to see and do here, and unfortunately it's closed, but hopefully it'll be opening soon. It's kind of like a museum as well. But if it's still closed when you visit, these windows are definitely worth window shopping. Lots of cool stuff here. This is La La Noodle, Park MGM's answer to noodle restaurants. I think every hotel and casino on the Strip has a noodle restaurant, as well as Atlantic City. I plan on doing a noodle challenge next time I'm in town in Las Vegas, which I believe is the first week of June, or first or second week. I'll be staying at the Venetian. I'm going to do a noodle challenge and put that video up here on the New York channel. So what'd you think of the Park MGM? Leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.